Welcome to another amazing video where we feature this beautiful shipping container house built using 3 shipping containers. The containers are arranged in an L-shaped layout to create this amazing shipping container getaway with beautiful finishes both inside and out. From outside, it's almost impossible to tell this beautiful house is built using shipping containers. What you see from outside is even more beautiful and elegant when you step on the inside. From the entrance, you get into this amazing living area, which has an open plan layout with essential living amenities. This is a closer view of the lounge area. It is a compact, intimate lounge space within a shipping container and a small bump out to create a bit of space, and there is a double volume effect above the lounge seat with maximum daylighting from clear story lighting. The space has got a mini split system for indoor thermal comfort. There's a small flat screen TV, and there's this big floor to ceiling glass door that ushers in maximum daylighting. This is a closer view of the kitchen space. It is a compact kitchen with an L-shaped layout with this beautiful waterfall island setup that can sit to, ideal for a dining space or a study area when necessary. The kitchen is furnished with essential kitchen appliances, and it has maximum daylighting with a corner window layout giving maximum daylighting to the counter space. This is a view of the dining area. It has more of an outdoor dining setup, but the space is well sheltered from direct sunlight or rain, and therefore you can enjoy your meal under the comfort of the shaded area as you soak in the amazing view of the landscaped gardens. This is a view of the smaller bedroom. It is well appointed, and it has a big glass window which drenches the space with maximum daylighting, creating that feel of a big indoor space despite the fact that it is sitting inside a shipping container layout. It's a view of the same bedroom showing the living space on the far end, and the space is painted white to create that feel of a large indoor space. You'll also notice the daylighting that gives this space a beautiful ambient feel. It's a closer view of the headboard. You'll notice the black and white themes in this house have been used in almost every space, including smaller details like bedside switches and even the headboard and the wall hangings. This is a view of the master bedroom. This space is well appointed and it is beautifully furnished. It sits inside a shipping container that has been given a small bump out with a bay window, creating a nice sitting area with maximum daylighting to the bedroom space. It's a closer view of the bed area with enclosed overhead lighting in the ceiling and beautiful wall lights to create an ambient feel to the bedroom space. This is a view of the bump out area of the bedroom and is fitted with full height glazing to bring in maximum daylighting. The doors can also slide open to create a seamless indoor-outdoor experience, allowing for cross ventilation and fresh air to get into the indoor spaces. This is a view of the bathroom. You'll notice the darker themes in the wall tiles and also the storage cabinets. Another view of the same bathroom with the high level windows for daylighting and cross ventilation. This is the general view of the outside. You will notice the exterior finishes are embracing a mix of soft and hard finishes. The timber cladding on the outside gives this house a warm and welcoming feel, hiding the shipping container skeleton underneath. The space is also well landscaped with big rooftop terrace covering the entire length of the 40-foot shipping container and is given a roof shielding it directly from the elements. This is the general view of the landscaped gardens, and it has a beautiful evening feel, giving you a restful and holiday feel. This is a view of the rooftop terrace. This is an exterior single flight staircase that connects to this top level, and it is given timber flooring, and the beautiful timber fill also is extended towards the ceiling with artificial lights given the black and white theme that is also embraced both on the interior and the exterior spaces. This is a view of the game room. In the living area, you'll notice the black and white theme is also extended to this particular space. This is a closer view of the living area showing the bar counter and a small study table. You'll also appreciate the darker theme used both on the walls and in the ceiling. It's a closer view of the study table with the beautiful finishes both on the walls and on the ceiling. There's also this full height sliding glass door that allows seamless access to the dining area and also providing maximum daylighting to the indoor spaces. It's a closer view of the bar counter with the black themes on the walls and on the furniture. The black theme used on the wall next to the lounge seat with that double volume fill with the clerestory lighting above it. This is a closer view of the bay area accessing the master bedroom. This is a closer view of a portion of the bar counter with a seamless access to the outdoor. Is a closer view of the intimate corner on the rooftop terrace, allowing you to soak in the view as you read a book and sip a cup of coffee, enjoying the ambience of this beautiful shipping container staycation. So this amazing house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. What do you like about this amazing shipping container? On our part, we love everything about this shipping container house, with the beautiful settings on the outside and the quality workmanship in each and every space on the inside. Feel free to check it out and give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.